everyone, how are you? I'm back again with a little update on my previous project, which is, if you remember, the wing rose. So this update is on, first of all, what to do with this project, because we made it, but I didn't really know what to do with it. um, as I wasn't really convinced about making it in a pendant or yeah, just or a bracelet, or just hanging it on a rope or something, because I liked it very much on its own, and I really wanted to stay on its own, yeah, like a brooch. So I was thinking about making it in a brooch, and just looked around online to find some you know those pins that you can that have there is a pin, and then there is a part of this component that you can sew on a piece and make it in a brooch. But I didn't like the idea. I thought it was too much, too big, too much for this pendant. And then I realized that this pendant had natural holes for the way it was, for the way the bezels were connected between them. And I thought, wait a minute, let's see if I can just use a pin and make it in a brooch. And actually, I took a head pin and just tried it, and it worked, and I was so happy about it. And so I started looking online for brooch pins, and I found this one, which is really nice because it has also a secure thing here that you can secure the brooch in place so it doesn't fall off. And they are really nice, inexpensive. I'm going to leave the link below the video so you can check it out in case you want to make it. And yeah, I love it. I think you could also use a pin if the metal is hard enough. Of course, you would have to maybe glue a bead here so it stops the pin from passing through the hole here, and of course you would have to sharpen the tip with maybe sandpaper or something. Yeah, with sandpaper. I think it can be done, because unless you wear the brooch on something like knitted, something like that has big holes, and you can actually use a pin, like a head pin like this. If it's a garment like this one, for example, or yeah, something that it's not something knitted, you would break your garment, so you don't want that. um so yes, so I wanted to tell you about that. This is really nice. This one, especially on black, these colors look really, really retro and elegant. I really, really like it. And so I wanted to show you how to add a veil in case you wanted to make it a pendant. So I'm not going to make it a pendant, but maybe you would like to make it a pendant, so why not? I have also hang it on a piece of ribbon, just like this. I think it looks nice. And then I have further embellished the central part of the project. So I'm going to show you how to do that too. Alright, so let's just change the source here, and I'm going to show you how to do this. So let's start with the veil here. So if you haven't made the piece yet, and you're going to just leave a tail of about 10-12 centimeters, and when you finish the piece, just use the tail to make the bail. And you would make it by exiting. I'm not going to do it, I'm just going to show you so you can do it if you like. So see, I'm exiting this bronze seed bead here. I have picked up 5 11/0s, and then I will go through the following bronze seed bead here, and then you would have to go through the back and exit again from this bronze seed bead. You would pass again through the bail, but this time you have to skip the middle 15 here, because we want a pointy bail here, so it just blends nicely with the pattern. See, I like it, and it is a small bail, but it's big enough. I have tried it, I have tested it. It's big enough for a jump ring to pass through it. I like it. All right, then I'm going to show you the embellishment here. So remember, we have embellished or finished up, let's say, the central part of the bezel of the project. Sorry, I have bezel all over around me, so if you don't remember, just have a look at the other tutorial. So we added 3 seed beads groups, sets of 3 seed beads here. So we were exiting from this middle seed bead here of this component, connecting component here, and then we strung 3 seed beads and passed through the bronze seed bead here, and then again strung 3 seed beads, passed through the middle seed bead here of the next connecting component, and so on. And to add the bicons, these are 3mm bicons and 15/0s. So you have to exit the first seed bead of one set of 3 seed bead here, seed beads, and you will pick up one 3mm bicon, one 15/0, and one 3mm bicon, and you would then pass through the last seed bead of this other set of 3 11/0s. Okay, so here you have 3 11/0s, 3 11/0s, exit from the first one here, string your bicons and seed bead, and go through the next through the last one of the next set of 3, and go around, all around. And to add the second row of bicons and seed beads, you would have to start from, so you would exit, you would finish the first row of bicons and 15/0s, and then exit 15/0, and you will add again 1 bicon, 1 15, 1 bicon, and go through the following 15/0. All right, it's easy. And again, exit from 15/0, string 1 bicon, 1 15/0, 1 bicon, and go through the following 15/0. Easy peasy. I have also written the tutorial, and I'm going to put the link below the video together with the video tutorial. So in case you would like to buy the tutorial, which would be very nice, you can find it below the video. Yes, as I said, I will also leave the link to these beautiful and inexpensive how do you call them? Lapel pins or brooch pins, something like that. Yes, I think that's all. I think this is all. I just wanted to let you know that I will try to post every Thursday one video tutorial. So for the next Thursday, I was thinking of making this lovely bracelet. I will leave also the list of the materials for this bracelet in the description of this video in case you would like to make it and be ready next Thursday. All right. Oh, I just wanted to show you how to actually, I knew there was something I forgot. Yeah, I should make a list when I make videos because I tend to forget. Yeah, I think it's the age. It comes with the territory, how they say. Okay, so let me show you how to wear this brooch. It's quite easy. I'm going to take this 5 seed beads off here. So you just go through the hole. Here you have lots of holes. We have 8 holes, and go through a hole. Then you are going to pierce your garment and come out through this other hole here. See? I really like how it looks. Look at this beauty. And it's quite easy to put it on. You can, you just insert the head pin here, just pierce, sorry, yeah. So insert your head pin in the hole, then you pierce your garment, and yeah, you can even see, you can just guide it with your finger. I don't know if you can see. You don't even have to really look and look for the hole. It's quite intuitive. So yeah, I love them. Oh yes, I mean, you can leave it like this. I think they are both beautiful with and without bicons. So yeah. So this is it. This is all. And oops, just my monitor went off for a moment there. Okay, so thank you. I hope you like the projects, and I will see you Thursday with this lovely bracelet. Okay, bye bye.